People have achieved a 5-figure monthly revenue as an online entrepreneurs. Some people in just 3 years have established a music label that consistently generates a monthly turnover of $25,000. From this, they pocket $10,000. Whether you're a young individual or an experienced professional, even if you're a student with a typical 9-5 job, it's feasible to attain this level of success right from the comfort of your home. I won't sugarcoat it. This journey wasn't a cakewalk. People's journeys have been marked by countless sleepless nights, constant stress, and financial setbacks. But these challenges were stepping stones to where they are now. As I mentioned earlier, some people have a monthly income of around $10,000, although this figure can vary due to the inherent risks in business. Most revenue streams come from platforms like Spotify and other streaming services. For example, currently, this label boasts over 15 artists. However, here's the twist. Only some of these artists are real individuals. They collaborate with ghost producers in some areas, but predominantly, they employ AI to create music. They prioritize their artists and ensure they receive substantial percentages in royalties. Their payouts are also top-notch. They believe in fairly compensating their artists for their hard work, even if artists are not human. This approach may seem like the least brilliant business move from a profit-oriented perspective, but it's a principle they hold dear. They have embraced AI and ghost production, which now contribute to about 25% of content, to safeguard their independence and maintain creative control. This lets them keep 100% of the revenue and ensures they can create new content at any time without relying on others. The additional turnover generated gets reinvested, contributing significantly to our company's growth. In today's video, I'll guide you through creating new songs within seconds using AI tools. Afterward, you can upload these songs to platforms like Spotify, establishing a passive income stream. Step 1. Creating music. You'll need a tool that automatically generates songs across various genres, such as EDM, techno, or lo-fi. The possibilities are virtually limitless. After extensive testing, we've been using Iva software for 2 years. With Iva, you can quickly produce new songs. Visit iva.ai, download the desktop app, and you can start crafting your tracks immediately. Select your desired genre, click Create, and adjust some settings if needed. You can even create multiple compositions at once. Pro tip: keep your songs under 3 minutes, as many streaming platforms require this for counting plays. Spotify, for instance, considers a song if it's played for at least 30 seconds. To use the songs for commercial purposes, you'll need a subscription. Click on Billing and select the Pro plan for $50 per month. This plan gives you all the rights to the music, allowing you to monetize it on all platforms. Step 2. Creating an album cover. For album covers, we turn to AI once again. You can use tools like Lexica, Art, Leonardo AI, OregonPosterMyWall.com to generate or design your cover. Step 3. Find a distributor. We recommend using DistroKid to publish your music on Spotify and other streaming platforms. You can release an unlimited number of songs at a reasonable price. Starting with the Musician Plus package for $40 annually is a great choice. In conclusion, the more music you produce, the more revenue streams you create. This approach is an incredible way for independent musicians and entrepreneurs to diversify their income and remain active in their niche. While not every song might become a chart topper, it's a fascinating process that offers a fantastic revenue stream with minimal effort. With DistroKid's Musician Plus package, you can schedule music uploads, feature your songs on significant playlists, and reach a broader audience. Following these steps, you're on your way to releasing your first songs and establishing a passive income stream. Thank you for watching this video. In the video description, you'll find all the relevant links. Step 4. Release music. Once registered on DistroKid, you can upload and release your songs on various platforms. Remember to schedule your release date at least 4 weeks before, preferably on a Friday. Step 5. Reviewing statistics. Sign up for Spotify for artists for free to track your song's performance on Spotify and other platforms. Step 6. Marketing. Promote your music on social media, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Create playlists featuring your songs and link them in your social media bios or video descriptions. This strategy can significantly increase your reach, offering passive income with minimal time investment. Remember, consistency and creativity are the keys to success in the music industry. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into the world of music and entrepreneurship.